What's up, YouTube? You know it's your boy 416 to what? 876 Jamaica. And people, just want to thank everybody who just like, share, and been subscribing to the channel. Alright, people, but right now I'm just going to show you a look behind the scenes of my photo shoot that I've been doing right now with this little nice little princess right here. You know, she says she wants love, people. Wait, you can't see her good, my people. I'm going to get her. Tell the people them say you want love.
I give it to myself.
Oh crap. She says she want to find love, my people. Look on her. Nice little black princess, you know, my people. So any man out there on the Instagram and the YouTube world, don't worry. Me I go hook on up. But people, and that I come to talk about right now on the topic. So this video is gonna be about the update on the house project and where we going right now. And my family was down there, so I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple snippets of the land area, the river that's around there, and inside of the house and what I'm gonna be doing to be updating and stuff. But right now I'm gonna play a video for now for somebody over foreign. I don't know which country I'm there, and I'm gonna talk up the things them, how life and how the place hard and thing. But
how you there foreign and nothing now go on for you? Alright. Since the people they don't want to tell you, me I go tell you for them. Nothing now go on for them. Them have a 9 to 5 job, you know, they get up every morning in the cold, in the winter, in the snow, garden job. $1,800 for rent a month. And how much am I get paid for? Them pay $1,100, $1,200. Some I get $950. For them pay every 2 weeks. And them have to put on them rent money out of that. Them food money. Them phone bill. Some people have to pay 60 a month, 80 a month. It depends on the plan what them have. You understand? Them have to go shopping right now. Grocery. You have to spend $120, $150. Or $250, $300. So food can serve you back to the next week you get paid again. So when you add up all of that, if you have to take a bus will come to about $200 for 2 weeks. So add up that. 1,800, 200, 2,000 that alone, you know. And food, 300, 2,500 that alone, you know. You see it, plus them phone bill, you know. So, it burden with upon them to you see them have a nice phone, the latest phone and the latest clothes and shoes. Them have to band them belly to buy certain clothes. And the money they have when you see all them a drive all a car, people. It's wicked upon them. Some of them are $10 gas them a buy. Because them can't manage a cold figure. It's better for them when them a go work in the morning in the winter. Them have to pay $500, $600 a month for car. For them car insurance. And them car insurance different from the monthly payment for your car, you know. Remember that, you know. So when them say nothing really a go on, them broke like dog a foreign. But they don't want to tell you the truth because they don't want you go track them business a road. But it's hard upon them people. Rough, me I tell you. So when them say they don't have nothing this week, they don't have nothing at all. Them broke. You have to go try to hustle up a thing and try squeeze a little dollar out of them. Look up pay where them a get. You must check say easy to make $1,000 a week or 2 weeks of foreign. You think you have a good job? People have get $800 for 2 weeks, for fortnight. And then rent have to come out of that. Food. some of them I fear a share rent. So it kinda it's easy upon them. So me just tell you a secret what the people don't want to tell you for themselves. It's tough over here. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah man, my people, I'm gonna start put some behind the scenes in my video them. When you can see all them nice little young princess here. When me a shoot, but look on her people, she kinda yeah, she's a mad than my people. Mad girl.
Real gunman.
But she just wants some really love people, so she said she want love. But I want to be showing you guys right now the video. I'm going to be just voice over in it, and probably somewhere if it I'm just going to let them talk naturally and stuff like that, you know what I mean? But this video is not to keep on you guys up and keep you guys waiting. I just want to show you the land, how the land look, how the area look with the fog and stuff like that. You know, it's just beautiful with people. I just can't wait to finish it up and get it all done. But you know, right now my leg is just healing back up, so hopefully Father God can bless us to start make back some money, you know what I mean, so we can finally actually fill up this place. I have some ideas to show you guys also what I'm trying to incorporate on the land in Jamaica. I have like a bubble house idea that I want to do on the land with the fire pit area and the outdoor. I'm gonna get like a inflatable jacuzzi outside. Yes, my people. You gonna change it? Alright, yeah, go and change and come back. Yes, I got change right now, my people, so that give us more time to sit down and talk. I'm gonna take off the umbrella here because I don't want it blow away, because she's gonna take a little bit of time. So while she do that, me just go and fix up, you know my peeps. But everybody, see the last video I put out, people think me talk negative on Jamaica, you know what I mean? And I don't like when people say that, you know, because I don't tell us the channel. Alright, but don't tell us the channel is versatile, you understand? Give a little bit of bad, give a little bit of good. The end of the day, a lot of people know so Jamaica have a lot of bad stories and bad stuff to say about it, same with Canada. You know what I mean? That's why the channel is called 416-876 Jamaica, right? So, I think in that video, I was telling people, if you go missing in Jamaica and this and that might happen or whatever, right? But some people don't take on to the negative videos. And I don't really like to make them, you know, but I have to make them. Because I can't say yes for everything. And me can't tell the truth about a situation that happened. You know what I mean? I don't like that at the end of the day. But right now, I'm going to show you one of the video right now. I think the video I'm going to show you, let me just go through it right now. But people, I just want to say thanks to everybody who's been liking, you know, my people. Been subscribing, been sharing the channel, trying to make it work, you know, my people. Look on her when I come, my people. So people, if you want her, I'm going to tag her Instagram in the description, you know, my people. Oh, she says she's a virgin, so-called, so. I lie? Yeah. But this is my side hustling, you know, my people. This is build my house in Jamaica. So if you want to see more of these type of videos, these type of vlogs too, I'll do it. But let me go through the video. So the first video I'm going to be showing you guys is this one. It's going to be an early morning after foggy of the area, and I wake up with up on top of the house. Coconut tree, pear tree there, cashew tree there. Everything there, you know, my people. To make you just enjoy yourself when you're up there, you know. Right now we're just gonna get our next water tank installed at the side of the house and stuff like that. And we still need a lot of more stuff to really finish it up. But we're making it work, you know, people. But me just build a video here for the show, you know, something different for today. And not argue, you know, for today without a reason, right? The video is not a reasoning video. The next one, I think I'm going to do one, I'm going to start doing one of my editing part. Which I'm going to edit my videos them, you know. But I just want to go and watch and stay tuned to the videos them, man. Yeah? A lot more videos that come, like I said, people start walk back. So I'm going to do a lot more tour. I think the first tour video I want to do is downtown Toronto. And I think the next video that I'm showing you guys is of them walking. I think this one is on the land, up by the land. So this is a next open area, my people. I think this is on the hilltop. I don't think this is on my land. Let me just see where they're going around. Yes, so this is on the hilltop now, my people. So look at that view, my people. Right, as some people and buy out the land them already, my people. All of the land you right, so buy out already. So that me I try to tell the people. See, when I go down there and I try to buy land up here, so them tell me, sir, when they were selling land around here back in the days, it's $400,000 per square. Right now, one square right now is probably $1.5 million Jamaican. That's how high the prices are going up year by year, right? So anything you do, my people, you have to just try to do it quick and fast. Because life is not going to get cheaper. Life is not going to get easier. But this is the hiking track I'm going to be pushing when people start come at the house. You know what I mean, people? So if you want to get up a morning time and go hike, we have hiking tracks for you guys. You know what I mean? Because over here it's nice. And there's a lot of fruit trees there too. A lot of coconut tree, but no banana tree. Even when you come up on the hilltop, right, some people, a lot of pineapple tree. And this is just like people just plant them up and just leave them in, my people. The next one right now, people, me I go show you. When I'm walk down on the Riverside, you know? Yeah, man, so it's a next shot. Walking down to the river. So I just want, like I was getting my people, I just want to show you a different vibe to how the land is and how it flourishes the places and the energy where I get, why I bought this piece of land for sure, you know why. So now I'm walk down to the riverside now, my people, so you can see how the river is. The day the river was dirty though. You know, the river was dirty, but them have a next part of the river we want to show, you know. And stuff like that. So this is the part where they always jump off. This is a deep part. But them they went the wrong way. And right, so me don't want them to go. I don't want them to go the next side where I'm gonna chop out and build up some outdoor decks, bench and chairs, you know, rafting you can do all over there too, you know, my people. A lot of different stuff you can do over here, so. No joke no night. No lollipop thing, you know, my people, you know. So I just have to sit down like me and say, I'm supposed to do this vlog video for you know. I just want to show you know, how the place is over there, how it's flourishing and, you know. Let me see me have the next video for sure right away now, my people. This one, yes, so this is now this part now, but I'm going to show you now. At the outdoor part, we want to go build up down here, so I want to get somebody and cut it out, clean it up, so we can enjoy it together when we forward down there if you see this property. Because the property, you know, my people, are going to be really, really nice. When we're done with it, you know, I'm going to cut down some pay somebody some bamboos and cut down over there and make it look nice. So everybody can enjoy it who live up there too at the end of the day. We're not being selfish. Because it's my land, it's a river land. But I want it to look good so everybody can enjoy it, you know. And look at the area, my people. Just look at that. Imagine that all cut down nice and stuff like that and clean up and you have the outdoor bamboo benches and tables and stuff like that. You enjoy a nice picnic down there, you know what I mean? Look at those wonderful coconut trees, my people. Like me say, I just clean, somebody have to clean it up down there, you know, my people. But like me say, them place are on top, you know. But a lot of kids come down there and go to the riverside. No more big people not like that. But I think I'm going to pay somebody for cut it out when me down there do, so me can enjoy it at the same time. I just cut it out, so. You know what I mean? Now I just cut it out, so you know, my people. See? Alright, right, yes, I know. I think I them there up on my house. I think them find the video here. Let me see. I think I don't at the river there in the same way, you know, my people. Yeah, man, this is my local family, them, you know what I mean, my people. Local boys, them, man, my people. That's why I mean so sad, you know, my people, because in that video, I talk about my uncle. I film kids, them here, you know, you see it. So that's why I feel that way. You understand? Because now, them grow up without a father, and we don't really did if you watch them like that, you understand? So anytime my family get for go to Jamaica, for watch over them. That we have to do, you know, you understand? So even when me go to Jamaica and my people, that me have to do too, you know, you see it. We have to watch over the youths them, man. Because you don't know, that's how I'm more emotional about that too, you know, my people. Because growing up without a father is not a pretty thing, you know. You understand? So I never want nobody to come with a negative thing when me that talk about it. You understand? So this is down by the river again. Them there down at the next side now, my people. So like a lot of river videos, you know, my people. Whole heap of youths them down there enjoy themselves. Like I said, this part is a little bit deeper. So I really, when the water, the water up here is nice and pretty, you know. A clean, nice, pretty water, man, my people. Clean, nice, pretty water. But like the rainfall and stuff, and clear and dirty up the water and stuff. Me have one more video for sure inside of the house, you know, my people. Right? Me I look for right now for sure, you know, but me probably have to go download it again and find it back. But me just want to show now the place look, you know, my people. Show now where I go from now on. And I push on same way. Like we're not gonna stop, you know, my people, so I don't think we're ever gonna stop, you know. Now these people are the next video now of the inside of the house. Inside the house, my mother walk around. You know, them they sleep on some mattress and thing, you know, with people. Like everybody does, you know, like everything's not finished up yet, my people. But at least me have a place where people can go and enjoy themselves, you know, without have to be worrying. So this is the video now me have to show you. Mother go around and I show the entire property.
This is the black one.
You know, the kitchen not finished up yet. The place not fully finished yet, my people. But I try to get done as soon as possible. Hopefully early next year. Hopefully work start back up or we can get some more music videos, some more photo shoot. And we kick off ball game again and we can steady it. You understand? People, don't sit down over these countries and wait. Everything is getting expensive. Remember when I buy a bag of cement 2 years ago for $1,300. Now a bag of cement reached $1,700 now, my people. $1,700. Imagine sand and gravel now, $120,000 that per load now, you know. You understand now? So if you'd have built a house 5 years ago, you'd have say you spend $50,000. Just now, you know, you have spent about $100,000. Just to show you how hard everything is going up. And life is not getting easier over here, and life is not getting easier over there. But what you have to do, we have to still push on my people. We still have to push on, move on. Because if we don't, nobody now going to do it for we, you know. And that's the reason why I make them type of video, yeah. To motivate the people, motivate the youths them. Same youths in my age group say, yo, we can do it same way. It's hard, but we can fight the fight same way. Every dollar you save, don't make it go to waste. So the next thing what me I do now, I'm going to see if I can find the footage them. It's going to be doing the water tank. I do an extra water tank set up right now for the rainwater. We get the rainwater off of the roof. That I'm going to set up right now. And then I'm going to finish up the manhole and that's back of the house. Because them they still need to finish up. And then when I finish up those now, my people, I'm going to move on with the finish up the wall around the house, you know. But I'm not going to really finish up the wall around the house. Because I say, you know what, I am not there in Jamaica to see what's going on. And I say, you know what, I don't want to buy my block them and my sand and gravel. And because I am not there for a year or 6 months, 8 months, nobody really take care of your stuff them, you understand? So a whole heap of people like us overseas get job like that because we think somebody will watch over our stuff them and nobody don't really care. So what me say me I go to do now for the next portion of money what me I go send. After them finish up the water tank system, because the water tank and the drainage around the water tank for the upstairs, that alone I go run him about $180,000 for buy the water tank, install a draining system and pay a man to install it. You understand my people? So that I run me about $180,000 to get done. So that a whole heap of money again, right there. So just say $2,000 Canadian dollar. Me have to go push through it. Right? To get something done.
Very nice job.
Blessings. Alright, thank you. Right? So if we get that done, so it will run me to $200,000. Plus what me I pay the man right now for install the next water tank, base and stuff like that. But like I say, look how boy, look how me I go push it through, I go make it get it done, I make it work. So after that done now, I tell them say, I think me that talk to my mother or my brother or somebody. Tell them say me I put everything back on hold again and save back some money. I mean I get internet at the house right now. That's the first thing I get. And anybody who know I go to Jamaica, make them bring a pack of camera to install at the house to me. So now, make it all the way I get the Starlink internet, you know. Remember me that telling about the Starlink internet in the videos, my people. So I get the Starlink internet thing first, and we're going to set that up. And then after now, we know some always have internet at the house. So now I can sit down, when I send off the blink set of cameras. So those are wireless cameras that don't need to be plugged in, and they just run off battery for at least 2 years. So if you know what I'm gonna put that in, people watch her. Just watch her. She come with me, people. This is what she come with. Me if tell her with people. She's a fun girl for the around, you know, my people. And she's and any man too, she's a vegan, not vegetarian. I eat her life. So I tell her, I always say she want a Rasta man in her life. Yes, any Rasta man over there want a nice young black princess. How old are you? 27? 28. So what's the oldest guy you talk to? Or the youngest? What's the limit?
3 years.
So 31 are the over.
No under.
No under 31, my Lord of God. No, and yeah, so them young girls say no under 31. So what you want? What the highest?
That's 3 years.
No, what the oldest?
3 years older than me.
Oh, what's the youngest? Nobody younger than you?
No.
So nobody.
Not even an hour.
So nobody younger than 28 or 29, she said. To make it work. Watch her again, my people. Watch her. Mad than my people. So she get dressed. She enjoyed to do her local shoot right now. We're going to finish up just now and stuff. But people, let's get back on track of what I'm talking about. Yeah, so we're going to get the Starlink internet set up and the Blink camera system set up. It's a 5-pack camera. Them just come out. It's called Blink 4. You can go up on Amazon and check it out. If you don't want to do our next video about how I'm going to set up the system here, and just let me know because I'm going to make them videotape when I install the Starlink internet. For Starlink internet, you know, my people, remember at $70,000 or $65,000 just for the satellite box to get set up, you know. And then now you'll be paying 8,500 Jamaican dollars per month. So people, let me know if that's worth it to do, to pay for somewhere in a day, but you watch over your place. You understand? Because I don't have nobody to go up there for really watch over it, you know. And anybody I ask to go up there, I have to send them my money.
You have to send them money?
You understand? Yeah, man, you have to give them my money for gas and toll, everything, food. It's like you pay for the entire day trip. You understand? So let me know if you guys would just do that like what I am trying to do right now, and if it's the right decision. And now we don't have to depend on nobody else anymore if you watch over the place. You understand, my people? But like, subscribe, people, and let me know if they like this video or like this type of video. While me I go start with when me I do my photo shoot them, and I'm going to start with some sit down one now inside of the house. And then I still going to do the tour videos with my people. Still going to do tour videos. Them. But if you don't want me and see more pretty girls and stuff, and you don't want to see them type of lifestyle here in Toronto, Canada, you let me know, and people may go back to work right now, you know. So people just please like, share, subscribe, to the channel and you don't know it's your boy 416-876. We them people, let me ask her if she have no final words. Any final words?
My final words are to always be kind and love yourself.
Give me this. People, she alright, you know, my people.
You need some wholesome.
People,
you need
she
some
are.
wholesome content on your page. Too much crutches and food.
People, she alright, you know. She alright. Alright, people, but that's all to the bless up of yourself. And remember again, please like, share, subscribe. You don't know, more topics are come, more videos are come. The next video is gonna be a topic video. It won't be like this one. But you don't know. I'm gonna try to spice it up. The next week, I'm gonna start back with the 2 videos per week again. Cause remember me like I said, my foot did not work. I don't see the videos. But as soon as I'm back up again for next week, I'll be walking downtown. I think I'm gonna do like a 4-part videos of downtown. Cause it's very, very, very big. And walk it out. Post up the video them. I'm gonna see it. I understand me people. So everybody again, thanks again. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Your boy Jay is out.